Still struggling with crypto payments in real life? Let's fix that in under 60 seconds. This is your step-by-step guide to applying for the XSPA Visa Physical Card. Before we start, if you haven't applied for your virtual card yet, open the XSPA app and get that first. Only virtual card users are eligible for the physical card. Open your XSPA app. Go to the card section. If your virtual card is active, you're good to go. Swipe right on the card section. Tap on the screen and hit the Activate Physical Card button. Now select the crypto you want to use for payment. The physical card costs $99. You can review the transaction details before confirming. Once you make the payment, wait a few seconds. You'll receive a confirmation notification and a message once your payment is successful. The XSPA team will ship your card to your doorstep. You'll also receive a tracking link, so you can track your card in real time. Once you receive your card, tap on the Receive Your Card button in the app. Enter your physical card number. You'll receive an OTP on your registered email. Enter it for verification. Now set your 6-digit PIN. And that's it. Your XSPA Visa Physical Card is now active. Plus, you'll get $10 preloaded on your card. So what are you waiting for? Go to XSPA app and apply now. And don't forget, refer your friends and earn $15 rewards in your XSPA wallet.